Ooh, ooh. Hey, what's up? How are you doing? Welcome. It's been a minute. Well, I wanted to have a quick fix, whichever. Fix bandana tutorial right here, and I want you to join me to the very end because it's super amazing. You're just going to love it. And make sure that you like this video, share it out, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. Subscribing is just hitting on the red button. The red button is beside this channel's name. It's written subscribe. Yes, and it's used to subscribe so that you can look amazing. We can always look amazing together. I'm not asking for much, just giving you 5 seconds to like subscribe. Done. Okay, like the video. Also, you can talk to me by my socials, so grab onto your bandana. So what you do is with it like this, with the bandana like this, or on a flat surface, you just fold it twice. Not like that. I know some people will fold it twice like this, and that is where you go wrong. No, this tip should be meeting the other tip here, from this tip down here. So do it with me, from this tip down there, to have something like that. Oops. It doesn't matter the type of bandana that you're using, but the color, the style is still the same. So do not worry by just seeing my bandana, be like, hi, is it going to have the same outcome? Yeah, the outcome is going to be the same. And what is to look like Tupac? That nigga is somewhere. Someone said that he'll one day go live on Instagram, and that's how we'll catch him. So from this tip, this other tip, you take it down. This is how it is, forming something like, is it a pyramid? Is this the shape of a pyramid? I'm not really sure, but we did like that. Now it's time we fold with it again. So it's like this, or maybe you're placing it on a flat surface like that. That's how you do the second knot, like that, and then like that, to have it like that. Easy, right? We can rewind that for you. This like this, or like this, either sides. Just fold it once like that, and then this other side you drop it like that. The edge you drop it like that to have something like that. And if you notice it's protruding past this part, you can just place it towards the back. Try and return it towards the back. That. The next part you need to turn around, ting it. So I want you to see it from this side. I'm going to be placing it onto my hair like that. Like that. I'm just trying to do that Tupac smile. That guy smiles nicely. Or if you notice these patterns, if you notice like me that these patterns are the ones you can, if you're using this type of bandana, these are the kind of patterns that are being seen. It means that you should have folded it from the other side, because here we're more important on detail. To see big flowers, big patterns, that's not the goal. Our goal is these small patterns. So you just refold it the same way we did. Or you just fold from this top side. There's so many ways of doing this, like that, from top, like that, and then again like that, twice, to have now the dominating flowers are the small flowers, the small patterns, not these ones. You do not want these ones. Yeah. So after that, with the dominating flowers, this side with the big ones will be lying on the head, and these other ones are the ones that you're going to be taking to the back. To the shh. Sugar, 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 my life without sugar, sugar. My life is nothing without you. So like this video, share it out, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Yeah, we did like this. Tupac bandana hairstyle. Actually, I've already told you that how to style a bandana like Tupac, how to wear a bandana like Tupac, how to do everything like Tupac. This is the Tupac style. So take it like that, and then you place it on your head like that. Hold it like this, and then like that. We have another accessory that you'll have to add in. Yeah, pull it a little bit at the back. There's another accessory that you'll have to add in. Okay, so make sure you continue watching so that I can inform you on it. So with it like this, yeah, we want it small size. It's upon you to choose whether you want your ears out like that. Let me show you with the ears out. This is how you do a knot. You do two to ensure that it's not loose. You can choose to have your ears like that out, or rather place your ears there. Then the only thing that is being seen is this thing. What is it called? Actually, we learned the ear in our days in school, all parts of the ear. Well, it's these parts, at least you're getting what I mean, these parts out on both sides. Or you can also just place the bandana on top of the entire ear. Let me just place it a little bit like that so that you can all choose for yourself the best one that you feel goes in with you for you. Then make that knot right there, right there. Nihao nilikupenda bila fahamu. That means I loved you unconsciously or something of the sort. So the next thing is this is another hack. You can actually do it like this to have something like that. Or if you want to just leave it the Tupac way, you just pull your bandana on one side to be a little bit longer than the other side, to have something like this. Another knot for, yeah. I've tied it on the upper side. I wanted it on the other side. Let's see with one knot how it looks. Yeah. So the other accessory that you're supposed to add into this is the Tupac smile. Yes. And with that, as we continue, guys, remember to like this video, share it out, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. Subscribe is just clicking on the red button that is written subscribe right there. It's free of charge, and it is good of you to support this channel. Just give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you have actually watched to this point. And remember, you can also talk to me via my socials. That is on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Skype. No, not really, but at Miss Moreen, at wambere Moreen. Me, I prefer 2 notes because 2 notes I'll never lose. And then you have something like that. So you can watch my other uploads right here. Yeah, my tutorials, my more tutorials. Let me try and do like two. The smell. Yeah. I'm so excited to watch this point. I love it.